Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to delete your Zoom account. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do it yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, if you have decided that you want to delete your Zoom account, is go ahead to the official zoom.us site. You want to go ahead and type this into your URL bar, and after that you'll be greeted by this main page right here of the Zoom website. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and either sign up for an account if you don't have one, but if you're deleting an account, that means you already have an account and you want to go up here into the upper right corner and click the login button. After logging in guys, then you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see in the upper right corner the blue account, my account button. You want to go ahead guys and click this option right here. Clicking on my account guys, this will bring you to this new page where you can use either options to edit your Zoom account or you can see info about your account. If you look at the left side of the screen guys, you can see multiple options such as home, profile, meetings and so on. But we do not want those options right now guys. If you have decided you want to delete your account, then what you have to do is go ahead and find this option right here called account management. Guys, go ahead and click on account management and this will open up 3 new options called account profile, billing and reports. If you want to delete your account, you want to go ahead and click this first option right here called account profile, and now this will bring you to this new page where you can see your account type, your role and so on, but there is a button right here called terminate my account. So guys, if you are sure you have decided you want to delete your account, then you can go ahead and click on terminate my account, and after entering your password guys, you can click on continue and then successfully delete your Zoom account. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.